Hi guys, welcome to Bitcoin Gem channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today we are going to do a rapid analysis of Theta. As you can see, I had run a poll on my Twitter account, and since 64% of you want me to analyze Theta, so we are going to do a quick analysis of Theta because I can see it's going to break out soon in my opinion. So we are looking at a Theta chart, and this is a Theta USDT chart. It's a 4-hour chart. First, if we look at a daily chart, then you can see that this has been on one of the most amazing runs in crypto in the last 1 year. And Theta has done exceedingly well. And if we look at the overall fib of the move, let's take the fib of the move from the bottom till the top, then we can see that it's holding 0.5. That is holding it very well. So it came down and it retested 0.5 level, which is at $8, around $8.1. And then from there, it had a very good bounce and it's currently trading at around $11. So I think this was a healthy correction and it is now bouncing well. Let's go to the 4-hour chart and let's see. So this is a 4-hour chart. As you can see that this is clearly the support, and until and unless this support is held, we can assume that eventually Theta will break out on the upside. So its all-time high is at around $16. This is its all-time high. And if we look at the recent move, then it looks like it broke this downtrending resistance. We can clearly see this is broken out. So it can retest and then go, or it can go sideways and then go for retesting the all-time high. In fact, this is one resistance that it is currently facing at around $11. See, this is the area of resistance from 11 till $12. This is the area where it's facing current resistance. But it is holding this. It's not coming down. It's holding. So to me, this looks like an area where it will consolidate and then it can go for higher highs. Because I think if we look at the recent trend, let me first delete this. So this is the resistance that it's facing, but I'm deleting this right now. So if we look at this recent trend, then has reversed. It has reversed from here. And if it can keep moving upwards in this direction, if it can hold Because once it breaks this resistance of around 12.5, 11 to $12.5, then it will immediately go to retest its all-time high. Look at this. So this is where we will see some choppy things, choppy price action over here. But once it breaks this $12.5, then it will directly go to $15. There is not much resistance over here. Again, none of this is a financial advice. Please do your own research. I can be wrong. I'm just sharing my views. So a straight 25% move once it breaks $12.5. So the ones who are wanting to do any futures trading, I think you should wait for it to break 12.5. Ideal thing would be for it to break 12.5, retest, and then go for 15. And the best move is for it to break $15, 15.5, it's all time high, retest and then go. Because I think once if it breaks $15, 15.5, then I see this going up till at least $27 somewhere over here. If it's able to break 15.5, then I think it won't be unreal to go for $27. This already is giving me an immediate target of $24 once it breaks its all-time high. It's currently at 10.9. So even if people who are planning to enter Theta, I think this is a good dip to enter, because from here it's a possible 2x for sure. This is not a financial advice, guys, but I can see that it doing a 2x because it's holding this range very well. And unless there is some major connection from Bitcoin or the market dumps, I do not see any other reason why Theta can't go to $24. I personally feel that it will go to around $30, somewhere over here. I personally feel that breaking all-time high, that is around 15.5, it will do at least 100% from there. So its all-time high is $15.5, then $30, yes, it's possible. So considering being conservative, if it can go to 30, then it can definitely go to 24. And it looks like. So the ones who are planning to enter Theta, I think this is a good zone to buy. This is one zone where you can buy. And suppose if it fails to break this, then it will again come down to this is the next zone, around $8 zone, where you can again buy. So you can buy some here, you can buy some here. That's how you can dollar cost average it. And getting Theta at $10, and then because if we see this is an immediate target, but I think Theta ultimately in this bull run can at least do another 4x from here if we consider the long term price of Theta for this bull run. I think $40-45 is also possible. Not immediately, of course, by the end of this bull run, if we keep continuing this. Because Bitcoin is currently trading at $55,000. So say if Bitcoin goes to 150 or $200,000, that is a 3-4x from here, then theta will at least do another 3-4x from here. So this is a really good area to buy somewhat around here. Some, if you get another opportunity to buy around 8, because I don't think it will go below 8. Doesn't look like. Of course, anything is possible, but it doesn't look like, because this is holding well. And I think this recent correction by Bitcoin, and because of that, whatever panic selling has happened in alts, they have shaken out all weekends. So I do not see any reason why it should correct. Unless if Bitcoin corrects heavily, then everything will correct, in my opinion. So it looks like this was the downtrending move which bottomed here, and now it's reversed, it's uptrending. It's currently facing this resistance. Once it breaks this resistance, it will directly go to retest its all-time high. And either in first attempt or second attempt, I think by maximum 2 or 3 attempts, it should break. It depends what force is, what strength it has, what strength this move has. So this is it. This is my small analysis of theta. I think an short-term price of $24 is very achievable, in my opinion. So that is 2x from here. But if you are planning for a long-term hold, then I think theta $40 is also possible. So this is not a financial advice. Do your research. I will quickly check theta BTC also, just to get its more holistic view. And if you look at theta BTC, just look at this. This is theta USDT. If you look at theta USDT, do you see this recent downtrending correction? And if you look at theta BTC, it was not that sharp. Of course, this was also downtrending, but it was not that sharp. In fact, I feel that theta BTC is looking stronger than theta USDT. And I'm seeing that in lot many alts. So that gives an extra confidence that funds are moving from Bitcoin to alt. And again, theta is ranging in this channel. So breaking this channel will definitely give a new impulse wave. So this is again a pivotal point for theta to hold. And this looks good. I think let's check the moving averages just to give us an idea. So yes, over here the moving averages are all intersecting. So this is a clear consolidation, and this is a 4-hour chart. So this is a period of consolidation. If you want to hold theta, then this is a good time to buy some. Then you can buy some here, if at all you get another dip. If you look at a 1-day chart, then see 1-day chart is giving us very clear direction. So we have 3 moving averages: a 10-day, a 15-day, and a 100-day moving average. It's way above 100. It is holding 50 also very well, and currently about 10. So if we see the entire move, it was always above 10 MA, and it is currently about 10 MA. It's trying to go higher. So this will eventually again flip and start a new impulse wave, in my opinion. So that's it, guys. This is a rapid analysis of theta, and I really hope you find this valuable. So thank you very much. To subscribe to my channel, like this video. See you for the next video. Bye bye.